Okay, progress bar. So I type in a name and I'm going to use pass text to pass it to the next screen. Now, so I've welcomed Tom. Also, I have a default of Google in a web view. Now I can also type in another web address. Now it's important to put the S. So if I open it in the web view here, opens the Facebook page. I can also open it in the default app that's in your phone. So we'll see if it opens in that. So you get the idea, it's opening up Facebook. I have to accept cookies, etc., etc., but it just opens the site. Now we'll continue. Now I have a radio group, and depending on which I click, it's going to open up roughly the city center of that city. So if I go New York and I open in maps, it's opened up basically New York. You can zoom in if you like. If I choose Paris, I have somewhere in Paris, I think, very near Notre Dame there. And then finally Dublin. Opens up Dublin city centre, I think. So get the idea. Now here, if I was to type in a number and hit call, it'll open up the phone app with that number ready to call. And then finally, I have 3 images. And if I click on this, it goes to an activity with that as the background. If I click this, it goes to the same activity, but this time with that as the background. And once again, same logic. If I click this, so I'm using the same activity, but I'm switching the background. And I'm doing that by when I click on this, I'm passing a text which tells me whatever that text says, I determine then what to set the background of this activity. Okay, so that's lab 2.